Good afternoon, Bharat. Bharat, can you hear me?
Yes, Sri. Hi.
Hey, man. Where is Nagita? Is Nikki joining?
Maybe she need to join. She will join, I think.
Okay.
Just before she texted me.
Oh, okay. Did you get a chance to practice?
My car got trouble, so I need to go for the mechanic. So
Oh,
I'll practice. Yeah,
okay.
I'll practice today evening or tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Take your time.
He charged me $1,000 for my repair.
Oh, it's too much, huh? Very cost, huh?
Yes,
Nasty.
Sri.
See, even here also, wherever you go, we are, if you go to, like, even in UK also same. At least you have in dollars,
Okay.
but we need to pay in pounds.
Yeah.
Same thing. No change.
She, she said like she was unable to join. You need to let her in, it seems.
No, ask her to reopen. She is just, I just admitted her.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Shri. How are you?
Mm. Okay, okay, Friday, Friday. So on Friday mode again,
Yes, right.
again on Sunday evening, everybody will be worried. But
Back to Monday.
yeah, Monday fever. But what to do? We have to. Is all okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. Yeah.
So got a chance to practice what we discussed in the previous class. Any
For
challenges?
me, I haven't practiced yet. I'm gonna practice.
Uh,
I'll be sure this time because I am in my last
Both are
semester. So
you
yeah, I
both
have.
no 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 both are very honest. That's good to hear.
Because I'm in my last semester and I have to apply for my
No
OPT.
problem, no
So I'm
problem.
working
So
simultaneously on that.
weekend you please try. Huh?
Yes, yes.
And take your time and
Sure.
whatever we discussed today also, and just practice. And this basically right, this SQL foundation is very important for data engineering because if you go to any project, right, SQL is one of the language which we use very commonly wherever you go. Why? Because data engineers deal with databases, correct? No. So this
Yes.
databases, the common language for every database is SQL here. That is the biggest benefit also. When you learn SQL, right, you can manage any database, not only Snowflake. That you have to understand. You got it right?
Yes.
That is what majorly you have to think about. When I talk about SQL here means is not only for Snowflake. So this is common for every database. This is a common language to communicate with most of the databases in the market. So we discussed about set operators, correct? No.
Yes.
So set operators we have union all, intersect, minus, and except, correct? No.
Yes.
And we discussed about aggregate functions also. Is it correct? What are the aggregate functions? Sum, count, average, min, and max. Correct? No.
Sometimes I was. Yeah.
All these five aggregate functions. So if you go and see, we have some window functions also. So what are window functions? And let us discuss about them. These are very important. So this will help you when you are performing any calculations, especially in business calculations. This window functions will be very helpful. So I'm sharing my screen. Let me know you are able to see. Is it visible?
Yes.
So Snowflake,
Yes.
SQL, aggregate and window functions, but aggregate functions we discussed about, correct now? So what aggregation means here, we will try to summarize the data. What is the total revenue, for example, and what is the average daily active user count in a particular website? Amazon, for example, they have to do, right? They have to go and identify who are the daily active users, or what is the total revenue on a particular product category. They will do that. Amazon will do that. Every company will do that. So to answer these questions, I need to use aggregate functions, where the aggregate functions which we discussed about, these are all the five. What count is going to give me total number of rows by aggregation. I want to, we saw yesterday how many number of employees by department, correct now? Remember, both of you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Similar to that, we saw total salary by department and average salary by department. And we also saw what is the maximum salary and minimum salary in each department also. So all these are standard aggregate functions. These are common in every database. If you learn in Snowflake, for Oracle also same, SQL Server also same, MySQL also same. Wherever you go, these functions are same. Okay. Now, when I say when you are implementing these aggregate functions, the important thing which we need to understand here is group by class. Why group by? When you are aggregating data or you are summarizing data, you need to summarize by one column, correct no? My total number of employees by department, correct no? Are you getting? Both
Yes.
of them. Here also, the total sales by region I'm doing, correct no? The region and the total number of total sales from the orders table by region. We observe here, I have north region, south region, east region, and the summary north region, these are all the three sales. South region 3, east region 3. So when I apply a aggregation query like this, it will give the sum of this north region 235, and then sum of this south region 185.35, and sum of east region 138.45. So what I will get? North 235, south 185.35, east 138.45. That is what my output. Correct no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is basically a group by class. So when I am using group by class, the columns in group by class, whatever I'm using, should be present here in the select class. When I'm using in select class, those columns should be present in the group by class also, vice versa. If you miss, you will receive an error. Non-aggregated columns in select must appear in group by. That's what I'm telling. This is a non-aggregated column, right? Yes or no? This is aggregate column. We are aggregating sales here, summary, but we are not applying any aggregation on region. So whatever the non-aggregated column here, those columns should appear here in the group by class. Similar to that, we have different aggregate functions apart from this five. We have any value is one function, list aggregation one function, mode one function. Mode is a statistical measure, the most occurring value in a group. For example, in a particular class, what is the mode of the age of the students? What do you mean by mode age means? What is the common age? Or what is the mode name of the students? What is the common name? Which means that which name is most occurring in the class? Which age students are most occurring students? Maybe in a class, 13 years is the most occurring value. Maybe 9 people are there. Or maybe Kumar is the name most occurring. Maybe more than 5 people with that name. So mode is going to give that. Clear? And we also have over function which we will use when you are using window functions. Over partition by. So over is a function over, and this particular over is basically one of the class which we use with window functions. Window functions is going to provide us this particular data not only on by row, it give by column. So partition by column, order by column. But other aggregate functions which we saw give by row. So partition by, I need to mention, order by, I need to mention. These two are important for a window function. We also have some ranking functions like row number, rank, and dense rank. These three functions will give or assign a unique sequential integer value to the rows. I want to see who are the top 5 customers in my purchase. Then I will go and say what is the total purchase amount of all the customers, and I need to sort in descending order and select top 5. Correct, no? Do you agree, both of you? If at all I want to see who are the top 5 customers of my products, what I need to do? You tell me what I need to do. Nikita,
Yes, yes.
I need to find out the total purchase amount of each customers, and then I need to sort in descending order, and then I need to select top 5. Correct, no?
Yes.
So that I can, whatever I mentioned, that will be done by rank function or row number function or dense rank function. But every function here will have a different purpose. When you see here it will assign a sequential numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. But rank is going to add according to the values. It is saying 1, 2, 2, 4. Which means that if any rows will have a common value, a tie will be there, it will skip the sequential value. Correct, no? See here 3 is not there. Correct or not? 3 is missed out.
Yeah.
But we see here 1, 2, 2, I got 3 here. So whenever I use a dense rank, it will not skip the value that whenever there is a tie. If there is if you use a rank function, if there is a tie, assume I have 2 customers with the same purchase amount. Then, and what happens? I'll miss out the 4th customer right here. Correct or not? And then
Yes.
but here I will not miss out that. I will have a sequential order. So if any time I don't want to miss out the sequence in the ranking, I will use the dense rank. But here I will miss the rank if there is a tie. This is only when we are dealing with the when we get any tie between the ranks. And if you observe here, the rank comparison 5,000, 4,000, 4,000, 3,000. The row number is giving 1, 2, 3, 4, which is not correct, no? Because
Yes.
same rank also. So rank is giving 1, 2, 2, but it is missing 3,000 should be 3, but it is giving 4 as a gap is there between 2 and 4. But here 1, 2, 2, 3, no gap. So which is the best one out of all these 3?
Dense rank.
Very good, correct. So it will not miss the data when there is a tie.
Yeah.
Correct. When to use these functions, you have to understand. Example I gave you. Out of my e-commerce website, I want to see which products gave me the top 5 products today, which gave more sales. Correct, no? What I need to do? I need to use dense rank, right?
Yes.
I can use rank also, but I may miss some products which are best products. So I need to use a dense rank function to get the actual accurate product information which performed topmost products. Hope that is clear. And sometimes you will also perform running totals also. Running totals means like this.
But where do you use that run and that row ones?
Row
This
number.
row number and rank. Yeah.
See, we can use row number when you are assigning any sequential values. But I don't bother. I'm not bothering about any gap or any sequence. When you worry about sequence, then I use dense range.
Okay.
When you don't worry about any sequence and all, I can use row number or rank, right? Correct or not?
Mm. Yes.
Only when I worry about there is a gap, I need to use that.
Okay.
When anytime I want to perform a cumulative total, like for example, I want to calculate the revenue year to date, every year I want to reset. Like cumulative means what? This year I got maybe 30,000. Next year I got maybe extra 10,000. So total 40,000. Like that, it has to keep on add last year revenue with current year. Then I will use a group function, order by and partition by all together. Here what I am doing, select sum of revenue over partition by year, order by month. So partition by year, but order by month, right? I am getting here. Can you see that?
Yes.
So year and month we are using. I want to order by month, but I want to group by partition here. So group by year, I mean, sorry. Yearly data I want, but the final data should be sort by monthly data. Then I need to use this cumulative sum window function. And we also have some other features where we have a frame here. Frame in the sense I want to see only the data between one and preceding and one following, this kind of features, right? Previous and current data and next data it will pick up. I don't want other data. So I only want my in my cumulative sum current year, previous year and next year. Only that revenue. Then I use this particular option. Rows between one preceding one following, which means that it will only select the current year revenue, last year revenue, and next year revenue,
Let's see.
so that I can compare them easily. People do that, right? Last month sales and current month sales comparison. Correct or not?
Yes.
Companies do. Oh, last month I got so and so sales. This month so and so sales. Let us compare and see what is the sales trend, increase or decrease. So I will use this function to get the data. And we have two different functions called lead and lag functions. These functions will be very helpful, similar to the previous one. Previous row, current row and next row. Lag will give you the previous row and current row. Lead will give us the current row next row. For example, if I want only, see current sales, whatever I am doing here, current sales minus lag of sales by lag of sales will give me the sales between my current month and the last month difference, right? Correct or not? Lag of sales is
Yes.
previous month. So I will use lag calculating the month over a month. Similar to that, if you see, lead also do the same. The current month and next month I want to compare. So I want to see the current row to the next row, next n rows. It can be one row or two rows or three rows. I can mention here. N rows before, n rows after. I will need to mention that. See, column and how many rows you want previously. Here, column and how many rows after you want from current row. So number of rows it will pick up in the output. All these are time oriented, time series data. And qualify, this function is only available in Snowflake. So qualify can help me to select, for example, I want to see the top 3 results, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, like that. People ask, very common question if you go to any interviews, right? They ask you how to extract the top 3 salaries of the employees, top 5 salaries of the employees. Here in Snowflake, we have a qualify function. So select star from employees, qualify, rank over, order by salary, descending, less than or equal to 3. Simple. This qualify will help you a lot. If without qualify, you need to write, you need to use rank over partition by, I need to use rank or dense rank to display top 5 salaries or top 3 salaries. If I use qualify, I do not need any of those. So qualify will try to acts like having. Having means condition. So qualify my data where my total the amount here, sales amount less than or equal to 3. So I will get top 3 amounts. Use case, if you see, these are all the use cases, whatever you see here. So whenever I want to perform aggregation in a sales, I will use the total sales per the entire report. And ranking, when you use dense rank to assign leaderboard positions. So positions I can go and give. See here. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3 positions we are giving here in the sales. Who did high sales? This guy. Correct now? Second, in a sales team, I want to give some ranking. Who are doing good job? So we will give some rank, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Similar to that, I want to do region wise, which region is doing best. Then I use partition. Filtering, I use qualify function to only display the top 10 products in a particular region. Then I use qualify, partitioning, ranking all together. So we need to combine all together and we need to use. If you go to any project, you use all these together. You will not use only ranking or not only qualify, not only partitioning. Your use case may require to use all together also. I hope that is clear. Any questions on all this?
So partitioning is only used on region, like
Region
only
example, not only region, maybe country or department. I want to see department wise salary. Correct, no? So
yes.
any category, partition by a category, by
Okay.
product. Correct, no?
It's basically you're selecting a location.
Here as of now, region means example here south region, north region, east
Okay.
region. If someone asked you, I want to see the total salary by department, then I use partition by department. Sales department,
Okay.
this is the salary. Account department, this is the salary, like that.
Okay. Got it.
So see, according to your use case, you have to use here. Correct, no? See,
Yes.
based on your requirement, you need to map it. How to use and what to use. Simple. If it is e-commerce, again it will change, right? Correct or not?
Yes. Yes.
Sales, it will come. If you go to any company and employees, salary by department. If you go to a particular downtime of a manufacturing plant, I'll say downtime by machine. Which machine went down more time, I want to say. Correct, no?
Yes.
So like that you have to think about according to manufacturing, supply chain, everywhere we can use all these functions. But according to your use case, you have to use them. Simple. I hope that is clear.
That's clear.
Bharat, any questions?
Yes. No, Sri.
Practice, huh?
Need to practice it.
Okay. So I have a file available for this also. Yesterday I upload one file. You see, for all the array functions, if you go and see, let me show you. The Google Drive I all uploaded. In the Google Drive, I uploaded already whatever the you can check it here. In yesterday also I uploaded. Sorry,
I think it's a day 5.
day 5. Sorry, not day 5. See, I uploaded already the set operators. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes.
See, set up assignment is there, a quiz is there, and PPT is there, SQL file is there. Okay, you can go through PPT, try to attempt the quiz, and you can practice using SQL file and finally do the assignment. Order. Got it?
Yes.
Similar to that, go to the day 6 also. Here also same. There is a I need to upload maybe window function. I need to do that. Maybe I'll upload that this PPT whatever we just saw now. Okay,
Okay.
and I'll try to upload the. I generated some for this lead and lag function. All this there is one more script is there. I will upload that where you can go and work on the all the SQL. Let me open that and see once. This is the PPT. I need to go and upload. I think so. Uploaded this. Yeah, here it is. Here also you can see all these three. Okay. So same PPT you can go through and then work on the hands-on. You can attempt the quiz and then go work on assignment. Same order. So this SQL contains some examples, including how to load sample data also you can load. Can you see that? Creating a table and then loading the data and then applying the select region and total revenue and total transactions from the sales records group by region, and we are also filtering the data where total say amount is greater than 3000. Are you getting?
Yes.
What this is calculating the total revenue per region, but only show the regions with sales greater than $3,000.
So,
Correct or not?
Yes.
Similar
yeah.
to that, this is creating a comma separated list of products sold by each sales representative. So select the sales representative and list ag function is there. What that will do, right? If I have this particular products, see there is a comma separated products are there. So what it will do here, at least two products are there, correct? No?
Yes. Laptop and monitor.
Three, last one also. So all these are I want separately. So I want to have with a comma. And I want to see, okay, what I want is alias and the list of products what he sold, comma, like laptop, comma, monitor, comma, monitor, like that. Bob, laptop, comma, mouse. And then Charlie, server, he sold. David, keyboard. Ev, workstation, comma, cable. Like that I want to display. The output is not like that, no. This particular data is the sales of all the sales representatives, but every record is separate, correct, no? But my output I want is for every sales representative, whatever is sold, I want his name, and then the next second column, whatever the products is sold, I want as comma separated. That is where list aggregation function will help us. Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
So you need to understand how to use it, when to use it. If my output is having a demand to display like that, I need to use the list ag function. And here, any value is going to extract. I want to go and display the region. Whenever you know the region is same for every sales representative, but don't want to group by it, then I will use any value. So any value will give you, it won't bother about the grouping and of a column. If you know that the same aggregate column is available for every sales representative, and it will not touch it. It will simply give the region for the total sales, and every sales representative who with the same region will be in the same group. No need to aggregate by region here. I will only aggregate by sales representative here. And window functions, just now we discussed about the ranking. So here we are ranking the sales representative by their individual transaction amounts. We discussed, right? Row number. I want to display who are the topmost sales representatives by how much amount of transaction amount they on a particular day they got. So row number will not give us, correct or not? It will give only sequential order, and rank will give if there is a tie. We discussed about this also, correct?
Yes.
And the dense rank will give us 1, 2, 2, 3 like that. The third one, no
With no
gap.
gap.
So these are all you can check it using these queries. Are you getting?
Yes.
So every SQL query here will help you to understand every window function here. Rank and a partition by we discussed about, correct, no? So total amount, but I want to partition by region and order by amount. And I want to give a regional rank for every sales representative. What is the sales ID? And each region, by region, I want to display what is the rank of that particular sales representative. Then I will use partition by. Similar to that, we also discussed about the lag function, lead and lag. What lead will do, lag will do. Previous row, current row, and next row. Correct now? We discussed it, right?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
So
Lag
similar,
is previous and current, and lead is current and next.
correct. So if my requirement is like that, then I will use lead and lag here. I want to compare. For example, Alice is the person sales. I want to compare with his previous sale. I want to see the growth, how Alice is performing. Maybe his previous sales and current sales, you see, the difference will give us, correct, no? How much growth he did. Maybe last week he might have given some sales, and this week some sales. The difference will give me whether he performed good or not, correct, no?
Yes.
So for that use case, this is the example. So you can try all these functions. I will share this SQL also. Anyway, I uploaded that. This will give you some clarity on how to use these functions in real time. Examples. Try to understand what is the purpose and how to use it everywhere. The use case is important. When people will ask you what window functions you used, you have to mention all this. How to use, how you use means also you should mention. We were working on a e-commerce project. So we were able to evaluate the sales representatives by we use all these functions. Correct, no?
Yes.
The performance of the sales representatives, we got a requirement to see the performance tracking. Then we leveraged all these SQL functions to run the SQL queries, and we were able to produce some results. You have to tell like that. So because people will ask you what window functions you asked, what aggregate functions you asked, you used, all this. Clear?
Clear.
But you need to practice and understand each function and note down your understanding. Have your own notes on your understanding. I'm not saying you should not follow my PPT, but you need to have your own notes also to understand this. And try to think about some other scenarios in your real life also. How to use these functions. When you go to supermarket, think about all this. How can I use list lag there? How can I use, and then other functions like partition by, all this. Correct, no?
Yes.
If you connect to your real time, right, for your purchases, then you can easily remember also. I do that. When I go to supermarket, I'll try to connect this sometimes. Clear?
Yes, Sri.
Bharat, any questions? You are silent, huh? Hey, Bharat, gone, huh?
Bharat is not there. Yeah. He's
Oh,
not there.
why he left?
Mm,
What happened?
Ask him. Mm.
It's okay. It's okay. Anyway,
Yeah.
so anyway, please work on this, huh? And
Yeah, sure.
any specific questions you have, please come back and ask me. You can ping me also. I told you yesterday also.
There's one doubt, Shri, for me.
Ah.
Like, when you create a database,
Ah,
so I created one database.
ah.
So in that, let's assume it's a practice, and I am practicing all this. So I can create all the tables in one database, right?
Correct. You can. You can.
Yeah,
Because-
but when I was trying to create a table in the already existing database, it's showing me error. I don't know why.
What error?
Just a second.
No. You need to see your role may be different. You have to check that.
Okay.
Your
I'll
role-
work on it. So
Maybe
yeah.
you change to account admin and try your role.
Okay.
It will work. Because account
Okay.
admin is the super user. He can do anything.
Okay. So if you're not, I guess I'm account admin only. Yeah. Okay. I'll try it. Yeah.
You try it. You try it and come back. No problem.
Sure.
Bharat, please try to practice. Huh?
Yes,
And
Sri.
come back with any of your questions. You ping me if you have any doubts. No problem.
Okay.
Because all these are foundation. Again, I'm telling. If
Sure.
you know all these functions, it will help you a lot in the real time. So whatever I'm sharing,
Okay.
all these are real-time scenarios only, in my experience. Wherever I used, I'm just simulating them here to explain you. This lead function, lag function, aggregate functions, window functions. And you also need to think similar to that. Connect to, again I'm telling, to your real-time experience, real-time incidents. And see how we can use these functions. Then you can easily remember also. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's all for today. And I want you to practice first and finish all the hands-on and assignments. And if you finish them before the next class, we will jump into the Snowflake pricing and Snowflake roles.
Done.
Okay.
Any questions, Bharat?
No, Sri, just before I got disconnected due to my network issue, so I don't know what you said.
The same thing I discussed.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I repeated.
Okay.
Okay?
All
Okay,
right.
sir.
All right, Shri. Thank you.
No problem. Take care. Yeah.
Yeah. Happy
Thank you,
weekend.
sir.
Yeah, happy weekend.
Yeah. Thank you.